Python, an interpreted high-level programming language, has a rich history that dates back to the late 1980s. It was created by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, who started working on it in December 1989. Van Rossum was inspired by ABC, a teaching language developed at CWI, Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica, in the Netherlands, where he worked. He aimed to correct some of the flaws of ABC and create a language that was both powerful and easy to use. Python was officially released in February 1991. The name Python was chosen as a tribute to the British comedy group Monty Python, which Van Rossum enjoyed watching. Unlike many other programming languages that were created before it, Python was designed with code readability in mind. Its syntax, which emphasizes readability and simplicity, allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code than might be used in languages such as C++ or Java. Over the years, Python's development has been guided by the Python Enhancement Proposal (PEP) process, which is a community-driven mechanism for suggesting improvements to the language. One of the most significant PEPs is PEP 8, which provides style guidelines for writing Python code. Python's popularity has surged dramatically since its inception, making it one of the most loved and widely used languages in the world. By the early 2000s, Python was already being used by major tech companies like Google, which contributed significantly to its growth. The rise of web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, fields in which Python excels, further propelled its adoption. Python provides numerous libraries and frameworks such as Django, Flask, Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, and many others, which make it incredibly versatile for different types of projects. The language's flexibility and the vast ecosystem around it have made Python a go-to language for beginners and experts alike, allowing it to maintain a strong presence in academia, industry, and research. Today, Python continues to grow, backed by a robust community and a commitment to improving the language with each new release.